From Divine Sistar of the Light Blue Rose Oracles. The golden white flame of unity and Christed consciousness is illuminating and anchoring within the heart field, the central stargate of Mother Gaia, as she ascends into a higher dimensional bandwidth, carrying the golden blueprint for the 2023 through 2028 quantum shift. The gold-white flame is now anchored fully within each planetary grid system, activating the ancient crystalline stargates and dimensional gateways at 7 sacred sites, which align to form a crystalline, Christed geometric star, a holographic multidimensional crystalline matrix that contains each template and quantum seed for the organic ascension process of humanity. This process is defined as a reawakening and reconnecting at a collective planetary level to the present moment, 0 point, through which all timelines converge, revealing the infinite flow of source love, which transcends all illusionary possibilities, timelines, and constructs. The 7 rays of divine source consciousness, 7 octaves of color and light wave prism frequencies are amplified with this current 2023 trajectory, highlighting and amplifying any reverse polarity fields which will appear in our current collective holographic reality experience as revelations and tower moments, destabilizing and dismantling inorganic timelines and collective memory imprints. The white and gold flame holds a powerful vibrational prism, an octave of source Christed consciousness, and is anchored in tandem with the royal blue ray of compassion, unification, and unconditional love, which holds the full prismatic spectrum of the Shekinah energies. As these 2 beautiful rays flow into the planetary stargates and with our own inner galaxies, we are receiving much faster pulse waves of light which are activating the many layers of our fractal, multicellular, and multidimensional self. This is creating space for all aspects to be revealed and witnessed across timelines as we continue to embody all of our fractal selves and move into deeper states of grace and embodiment, activating the solar temple within the heart and radiating pure unconditional love. Grounding, gentle flow of movement with Tai Chi or Qi Gong can help to integrate these intense pulse waves. Take only what resonates, use your discernment, and follow your own intuition. From BlueRoseHolistic.com.